Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make a straight headband. So we're going to need the fabric, any fabric of our choice. We're going to need our tape, and our scissors, and our elastic band. So first of all, you're going to measure the width, um, which will be about 7, and then the length will be about 17 and a half. So when done with that, we go ahead and fold it into two and sew it on the machine, or you can use your needle and thread. Okay, from here, so we're going to grab the other piece, which will be for the elastic. So we're going to measure the width, which will be about 3 inches, and then we're going to measure the length, which will be about 11.5 inches. So when we're done with the measurements, we go ahead, fold it into two, and sew it either with your sewing machine, or you can use your needle and thread. So we're also going to need our elastic band. We're going to need it to be 4.5. So you measure it and make sure that it's 4.5, so that it won't be too loose or too tight. For adult size, and 4.5 is the perfect length. So I went ahead to sew the fabric straight on the machine, both for the headband and for the elastic. So this is the finished product after. This is what it looked like after I finished sewing it. So after that, we're going to need our pin. So we're going to need our pin to turn it the other way around. So after I've attached my pin to the fabric, I turn it to the other side and then turn the fabric inside out to the front. And then I'm going to do that for the other one also. So I use the pin and turn it. So as you're turning it, make sure you're from the other side, you're stretching it out, so that when it's time to bring out the pin, it won't be too difficult to bring it out. So you do that carefully so you don't tear or rip the fabric. I went ahead and ironed the fabric. So this is what it looked like iron. You can see how flat it looks. That's how yours should also be looking. So after that, I'm going to insert my elastic and the others, the small fabric. So we're going to put that in. Okay, so when the elastic is in from this side, so I went on and sew it down with my sewing machine. Okay guys, at this point of sewing, the needle is still inside the fabric. So after I'm done sewing this side, I cut off the thread and then turn to the other side and use the pin to bring out the elastic band, and then go ahead and sew in the other side also. Okay, so the elastic band is entirely inside the fabric. So then I went ahead and trim out the ends. So now I'm going to attach the elastic. So while joining the fabric, we're going to make sure that the side that was not sewn is facing the material. So same for the material. So like the right side is facing each other and the sewn side is facing I hope you guys are understanding me. So we close the big one on the small one, and then from there we go ahead and sew it down on a machine. So we're going to do exactly the same for the other side. You can see the big one covers the smaller one, both from the right side and from the left side. So we're also going to go ahead on our sewing machine and sew this down also. our finished products. Like you can see the importance of ironing. It's looking nice and neat. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.